bridge in Taiwan shook violently from the 7.2 quake. People remained frozen in terror. The Kisner Bridge over the Noke-Chucky River in Ayton, Tennessee, fell apart and was carried off by floods. Rare moment as killer whale chases dolphin in Mexico, all thrilled to see it unfold. Wait now, wait.
Hold on. Don't move.
뭐지? 터졌나? 아닌데?
상어가.
아니다.
Suddenly and without warning, two Korean fishermen were casting when a shark leaped onto their boat. It proves that you may feast without laboring.
Whoa!
Just like in the movies, huge killer whale surges forth to chase fishing boat to hunt prey. I felt goosebumps at the instant a 3M long python was lifted out by workers clearing in the Dominican rainforest. Aren't they afraid?
Aren't they scared?
Oh my gosh, it's flipping cars!
Great white shark strikes diver cage, a species famed as the world's largest hunting shark. Highly perilous, would you dare to witness? Japan's 10 meters-long Momo-2 rocket fell moments after blasting off from the launch pad and erupted. The girl plays gently with her pet spiders. Is she too bold or too simple? The rapid display with coordinated motions by students from the Japan University of Sports Science left many watchers stunned and in awe.
Maar heb ik deze wel eens op YouTube?
Close-up of a twister on the wide ocean, it appears frightening, right? Don't get near.
Wat een ding.
Davy wordt in de zee. Is Davy er?
This was an underwater atomic trial done back in 1958. The giant water surge sank a huge cargo ship. close-up of lava pouring from a Hawaiian volcano like a cascade, though highly perilous, I must confess it looks stunning and awe-inspiring.
地震！等一下，先不要放手，地震。哦，超夸张的。
这个有7级了吧？
超过了。还在震哦，等一下。
Whoa, a frantic scene with endless shouting. A 6.8 magnitude quake hit a 1,000-meter tall mountain in Taiwan while a family was camping. Everyone paused in silence, waiting for the outcome, and I felt anxious too.
सो अरे भगदड़ मत करो.
A landslide happened close to Josim, India, making a huge mountain fall onto the road. There were many people standing near debris, which was highly hazardous. Shocking landslide at a coal pit in northern China. It buried much equipment as if a quake had just struck.
Tiếp chạy tới này. Quay hồn là chứ. Không phải phát trực tiếp đâu.
This is a rare occurrence before Super Typhoon Yagi struck land in Vietnam, causing severely harsh ruin. Strange, right? This is a blue blubber jellyfish, a species that dwells mostly in southern Australia. Its shade looks stunning. What a shame the home crumbled swiftly into the gorge amid the historic flood in Connecticut, USA. This is a flash flood that suddenly struck with an incredibly quick force. Yet why is this man still calmly filming the scene? I can't grasp it. This man was truly lucky to capture this unusual and rare shining fish.
正口，是个正口。
Oh my God, a 30-foot sinkhole suddenly showed up in the middle of a football field in Alton, a city in the United States. Luckily, no one was present.